Alright, so Apple recently released a new firmware update for the AirPods Pro 2, and this firmware update is called 7E93. And right here, as you can see, I have my AirPods Pro 2 and it's on the latest firmware update, and I've been experiencing some huge improvements, honestly. So the first huge improvement I noticed is noise cancellation, but also quite honestly, I noticed that a lot of people have been saying that, oh, the noise cancellation is not working, when most of the time the reason behind that is because they have conversation awareness turned on. So when you have conversation awareness turned on, that kind of messes with your noise cancellation. And you also want to make sure that you're in noise cancellation and not adaptive or transparency mode. And also you want to make sure if you have hearing health features, you want to turn that all the way down. Otherwise, that's going to affect your noise cancellation. Now, as usual, Apple didn't mention what exactly they fixed in this firmware update. They just mentioned bug fixes and other improvements. Usually these bug fixes and other improvement includes connectivity, battery life, and also sound quality. And one thing that's kind of weird, Apple has been testing this firmware update since January 2025. So I believe Apple has fixed some big issues or made some big improvements. Now, I've been covering the firmware updates for the AirPods Pro 2 for a while now, and I've noticed that with these firmware updates, usually you have the people that these firmware updates either like degrade their AirPods Pro 2 or improve their AirPods Pro 2, or some people even notice like no differences. But some of the differences that I've noticed that a lot of people have been experiencing is the active noise cancellation is a little bit better, and also they fix a Find My bug where it shows that your AirPods Pro 2 is not set up in Find My. So let me know down below in the comment section what your experience have been with this firmware update 7E93. I'm excited to see your experience, so leave it down below in the comment section. And also, if you're wondering where I got this wallpaper from on my phone right here, this is from my wallpaper pack inspired by the AirPods. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description down below or in the comment section and go grab yourself one of these. Actually, it's free, but if you want, you could like put $1 or $2 and it would go towards making this channel even better. Now, if your AirPods Pro 2 haven't been updated, I did a video talking about how to update your AirPods Pro, so go ahead and check that video out. I'll link it down below in the description. So if you have any issues like your AirPods Pro 2 is not updated, that video will walk you through exactly how to update your AirPods Pro 2. Go ahead and check out that video. And that's been it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.